when I hit 35 years old, that's the time that I became really conscious doon sa health ko. Bilang tatay, bilang asawa. Yun din yung time na nag-decide ako na mas magkaroon ng maraming physical activities. And syempre, kasabay niyan, yung pagtutok doon sa mga kinakain ko. Normally, when I do walking and running, my go-to meal is this. My stir-fry, sardines, and tofu. My first step when I'm making my sardines dish is to brown my butter. Yung ating mantikilya would have a deeper flavor profile, more nutty. Tapos, nagko-complement siya doon sa end product na mangyayari doon sa ating dish. For this one, I like to use caramelized and raw onions. So we are going to save some of this. We are not going to fully caramelize yung ating onions, yung ating tofu naman. So we are just going to crumble this. And finally, yung ating sardines. So we'll just let this simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. And then after that, lalagay na natin yung ating eggs. So we're almost done with our dish. Ilalagay lang natin yung ating beaten eggs. And then lulutuin natin to for about 3 to 5 minutes. And after yan, pwede tayo mag-plate. Guys, mukhang exchange gifts natin ay maganda,
Yes.
ha?
Yes! Oo naman, chef. Talaga
Bongga.
pinagandaan
Perfect.
namin. No?
Bongga.
Pinagandaan namin yan, Chef.
Anong pampaasim ang ginamit mo dyan?
Ano pa ba? Eh di kalamansi. Siyempre natural.
Walang kahit anong powdered
Yes.
na pampaasim. Natural.
So ito naman yung aking post-workout. Actually, most days of the week, sardinas at itlog lang talaga ang kinakain.
So, Chef, ito, masarap na mura pa.
Mura pa,
Tsaka
healthy.
protein.
Protein.
Eh, sakto. Napag-workout na kami ni Marcy.
Ay, oo, pare.
Very nice.
Oo.
So,
Sakto protein, kailangan.
Exacto.
Yes. Alright.
Eh di, tara na. Kain na
Yes,
tayo.
let's go. Let's dig in.